In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Demon Lord title here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But this process really is not too bad. First things first, go ahead and open up your inventory and go to the title section over here. Select it and you need to scroll down on here until you see Demon Lord. So keep scrolling through, you'll see Demon Lord on here eventually. And this is the one that gives you plus 55% damage. If you see it's locked right now, don't worry. If you just select it, it's going to tell you exactly how you can go ahead and get it. Essentially, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way over to any of the teleporters on the map, interact with it, and of course, once you do that, you need to go ahead and make your way over to Slime Island. So teleport over there, and once you're at Slime Island, go ahead and start farming both the bosses or enemies in this area, whether it's these guys over here, or you could also go ahead and go to the boss summoner, interact with them, and of course, spawn it in for one slime key, which I somehow don't have any of right now. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.